Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB in MetaMask. First, you'll need to have MetaMask installed, either as a browser extension or on your mobile device. If you haven't already, create a new wallet and make sure to securely store your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your funds, so keep it safe and never share it with anyone. We'll then prepare your wallet for the next steps. Now let's add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. Open MetaMask, click the network drop-down at the top and select Add Network. You'll need to manually enter the network details. The RPC URL is https://bsc Binance. The chain ID is 56 and the currency symbol is BNB. This step connects your wallet to the correct blockchain for BNB transactions. To get BNB into your MetaMask wallet, the easiest method is to buy it on a centralized exchange, such as Binance or Coin. Once purchased, initiate a withdrawal from the exchange. It's critical to select the Binance Smart Chain network for the withdrawal and carefully paste your MetaMask wallet address. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. After a few moments, your BNB should appear in your MetaMask wallet. Open MetaMask, ensure you are on the Binance Smart Chain network, and you will see your newly acquired BNB balance listed under your assets. You are now ready to use your BNB to interact with various decentralized applications, participate in staking, or swap for other tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. Enjoy exploring the decentralized world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.